In this video, I've chosen Introduction to Python as my topic, and I will be giving a practical approach to explaining Python. So, I will give you a short history and overview along with some uses before we go into the code. And so, Python, as you all know, is a high-end programming language, and it was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s, named after Monty Python's Flying Circus, which was a TV series he was watching at the time. Python, from then, it's become really popular and it's one of the most used programming languages in the world today, and its popularity is only increasing at a growing rate. So some common uses are web development, machine learning, game development, web scraping, data analytics, and visualization, which is becoming really popular. And one of the reasons why it's really popular is because it's very easy for beginners to pick up. That is, the code is very comprehensible compared to a lot of other programming languages, such as Java. It's less typed and you can focus more on the logic rather than focusing more on memorizing the code. And so now I'll be giving you a few examples to explain Python further. Okay, so I'll give you some examples in code. So a simple print statement would be the word print, a pair of brackets, and a pair of quotation marks, along with the words that you want to output. In this case, it's hello world. Click the run button over here, and you'll get the output. Declaring variables is very important, and in Python, it's very easy to do that. Just type the variable name equals to sign and assign the variable to the value you want. We've assigned two variables here, a to 189, b to 20. We can do some simple arithmetic operations such as a plus b and a modulus b. A modulus b returns the remainder when a is divided by b. So in this case, it would return 9. As you can see in the output, we can also use conditionals such as if, elif, and else statements. So if statement checks for a condition. In this case, if statement checks if a is equal to 189, the double equals to sign is used when using an if statement or an elif statement. And this returns true, as you can see over here. A is equal to 189, hence the rest of the code will be carried out, as you can see in the output. However, let's say a is equal to 200, then this conditional will return false, so the print statement will not carry out. Then, if we want to check if b is equal to 20, then we can use an elif statement, which is essentially another if statement if the first one returns false. In this case, the elif statement returns true, and we will get an output b is equal to 20. Now let's say both the elif and the if statements return false. Then we can use a else statement, which will be carried out in this case because both the else and elif statement currently are false. So we can say a is not equal to 189 and b is not equal to 20. As we can see over here, a is 200 and b is 190. So a is not 189 and b is not 20. Hence, the else statement will be carried out, as you can see over here. So this code is very simple. It's the basics of Python and any programming language. And these are the building blocks which you can use to build any complex program. As you can see, it's quite easy to read and comprehensible. Thank you.